when apples still grow in November, when blossoms still bloom on each tree, when leaves are still green in December. It is then that our land will be free. I'll wander hills and valleys, and still through my sorrow I'll see a land that has never known freedom. Will only rivers run free. I'll drink to the death of her manhood, those men who'd rather have died than to live in the cold change of bondage, than to bring back their rights were denied. Oh, where are you now that we need you? What burns where the flame used to be? Are you gone like the snows of last winter? Will only your rivers run free? How sweet is life, but we're crying. How mellow the wine, but we're dry. How fragrant the rose, but it's dying. How gentle the breeze, but it sighs. What good is in youth when it's aging? What joy is in eye that can't see? When there is sorrow and sunshine and flowers, will only rivers run free?